Picture this, a sunny day, your car gleaming in the sunlight, and the satisfaction of having a clean and shiny vehicle that turns heads wherever you go. Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of self-service car washes, your ticket to a sparkling clean ride without breaking the bank. While professional car washes are convenient, self-service car washes put you in the driver's seat, quite literally. And in this article, we're your co-pilots, guiding you through every step of the process. So, let's roll up those sleeves and get started. First up, the pre-wash. Grab the high-pressure spray wand and give your car a thorough rinse. Focus on those wheels and undercarriage to remove loose dirt and grime. Now it's time for the main event, the soap stage. Dial up that foamy goodness and start at the top of your car, working your way down. Use a soft mitt or brush to gently scrub away dirt, making sure to get into all the nooks and crannies. Rinse, rinse, and rinse some more. This step is crucial to remove all the soap residue and dirt, leaving your car squeaky clean. Pay extra attention to the side mirrors, windows, and headlights. Now, let's tackle drying. Instead of old-fashioned towels, opt for the giant drying blowers available at most self-service car washes. Start from the top and work your way down, making sure every drop of water is banished. And there you have it. Using a self-service car wash isn't just about saving money. It's about taking pride in keeping your car in top shape. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more car care tips and visit our website for exclusive content on keeping your ride looking its best. Thanks for joining us on this journey to a spotless car. Until next time, keep cruising, keep cleaning, and most importantly, keep shining.